So we're going to be doing some copying of files and folders. The difference between moving and copying is that if you move something, it's no longer in its original location. So there's only one. So if you move a folder, there's only one folder. If you move a file, there's only one file. When you copy something, you're creating a duplicate. So if you copy a folder, you're going to have two. And if you copy a file, you're also going to end up with two. So what we're going to do, they want us to open another File Explorer window and display them side by side. So to do that, I'm going to right-click on my jump drive here. And I'm just going to open this in its own new window. There it is. Could not see the command. Then I'm going to go back to the original window, restore it, and I'm going to move it by dragging the title bar. Now Windows 10, it is kind of annoying. If you go too high, it actually snaps it into place. And if you're trying to resize a window, that is kind of an annoying feature. So you do want to be a little careful when you are repositioning these and trying to resize them. But you do want two windows side by side because it's a little easier to copy things when you display it like this. Now what they would like us to do is select documents over on the right side here. I'm going to open that up. Then they want me to left drag my Windows 10 Chapter 2 folder. Okay, so I need to kind of go up a level here. This folder, they want me to drag that over here into Documents. Now the problem, if I left drag it, you see I got all these folders. If I land on top of one of these folders, it actually puts it inside the folder. So I need to scroll down past all of those folders. And then when I left drag, okay, if I'm in the file section, I can just release it. Now normally left dragging moves files and folders, but because we're dealing with two completely different drives, this one is looking at the jump drive, Documents is on my hard drive, two completely different drives. When I left drag, it actually copies. Okay, so should see the Windows 10 Chapter 2 folder in both spots, and I do. Now they want me to go back over here to my USB or jump drive, flash drive, and they want me to create a new folder. So I'm going to click away from my existing folders, and they want me to go up a level, it looks like. So again, clicking away from the existing ones, I'm going to hit my new folder button, and I'm going to call this W10-backup. And this folder is empty. If I double click and open it, you'll see there's absolutely nothing in it. What we're going to do is copy a file, and we're going to paste it into this empty folder. So I'm going to go back up to my drive. I'm going to go into my student data files, and I'm going to select Chapter 2. The file that they want us to copy is the ring file. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to choose copy. Now, other ways to copy. If you click on it, you can use the copy button. You can also press Control and the letter C. Control and the letter C is the universal shortcut for copying. So once we have this copied, it puts a copy of it into the Windows clipboard, which is kind of like a little holding tank. So that file is going to sit in that holding tank, in that clipboard, until we put something else in it. So we can go to our backup folder. We can open it using our navigation pane, and we can paste the file that we copied. Now, lots of different ways to paste. If you're in the home ribbon, you can hit the paste button. You can right-click and choose paste from the menu. There is also a shortcut. It is Control and the letter V as in Victor. So if we do Control and V, you'll see that it retrieved the file from the clipboard and put it inside our folder. Now, there's one more thing they want us to do. We're going to navigate up a level here. They want us to take our backup folder and copy that and then paste it over here into Documents. So instead of left dragging to copy this time, what we're going to do is make sure it's selected, press Control and C. I'm going to come over here and activate Documents. And you'll notice I just clicked on a file. I didn't click folder. I just kind of clicked over here to activate the window. And I'm going to paste. So you can use the paste button or you can press Control and the letter V, but you should end up seeing the backup there. Now, in order for me to see that you did this, I do want you to open that up. And then you need to scroll enough so that I can see that you have Chapter 2 and backup over in your navigation pane, and that you've got your file in the backup folder. At this point, you can do print screen or the snipping tool. I'm going to hit New. I'm going to drag over the section that I needed to see. Go to Edit and Copy. Come down here. And that was Skill 7. Oop. Let me move past the picture. And I'm going to paste. Now, you might be wondering, can I just press Control V here? Yep, you can. That will work. Okay, if it comes in large, if you click on it, see these little sizing handles? You can actually left drag and make it a little bit smaller. Okay, totally up to you. But I'm going to click to the right to get my insertion mark there. I'm going to press Enter and get ready for the next one.